Once, during the autumn sable hunt in one of the hunting areas of the Baikal, our friend's dogs found the shelter of a brown bear. Since we had a license for a bear, time also allowed, we took guns, dogs and went hunting for this beast. There was already a lot of snow in winter, and the frost was strong, not at all November. In the morning at -30°C it was not at all hot. Having descended on snowmobiles down the frozen river, we ran into a blank wall of the taiga. There were a few kilometers left before our goal and we decided to cut a road for snowmobiles. Finally we got to the hunting ground. Less than a kilometer is left to the bear's shelter. We will not drive closer, so as not to frighten away the beast. We will go further on foot. Before the difficult work, we decided to rest and have breakfast. The senior hunter cuts down a large pole. With his help he will disturb the bear in his lair. Finally, all the preparations are over. We take the dogs on leashes so that they do not start working ahead of time and begin to approach the bear's lair. When the marked place appeared, the dog immediately sensed the bear and began to work. The hunter at this time worries the bear with a pole. The bear does not want to come out, growls and pulls the pole.
Рычит. Палку, сука, отломил. Слова нам надо, блядь. Морду-то показывал. Дай, блядь! Сука! Куда щит? Ну, сука, палку!
But now he was tired of sitting in the lair and he went to the hunter.
Давайте, давайте сюда. Тихо-тихо, шевелится, шевелится, борцы. Шевелится. Аккуратно.
Пускай.
The shot was accurate, the trophy was obtained. It turned out to be a young male brown bear. It remains to fill out the licenses, butcher the beast and take everything home. Thank you friends for watching. If you liked the video, support our channel with a like, subscription and comment. Stay with us, it will be interesting. Good luck on the hunt everyone.